5 cool iPhone keyboard tricks. Apple's mobile devices are renowned for their productivity capabilities. There are lots of hidden features that can revolutionize your iPhone or iPad experience. Have you considered optimizing your iOS keyboard experience? Fewer known features and shortcuts are available on your iPhone or iPad keyboard that can significantly improve your typing experience, ultimately saving time. For those who frequently engage in typing tasks on their iOS devices, here are 5 helpful keyboard tips and tricks you should know. Number 1. Effortless cursor movement. Navigating the cursor within the iPhone editor can be a source of frustration, but this trick eradicates such annoyances. Rather than manually typing the cursor for movement, simply tap and hold the spacebar. With this method, you can freely point the cursor by gently moving your finger in the desired direction. Number 2. Swift word deletion. Correcting mistyped words need not be a difficult task. Instead of using backspace for each character, use a simple gesture. Swipe 3 fingers to the left to swiftly delete the mistyped word. If you need to undo this action, a quick swipe of 3 fingers to the right will restore the word effortlessly. Number 3. Seamless text selection with a tap. Master the art of text selection with just a tap of your fingers. To do this, double tap on a single word to select it. For selecting the entire paragraph, you need to tap 3 times and then the pop-up will appear, providing access to useful options such as cut, copy, and paste. Number 4. Text recognition via scanner. This invaluable feature saves countless hours by directly capturing text from books or computer screens. Tap the editor area, select autofill, and then scan text. Point your device's camera at the desired text, type insert, and you're done. Your text will appear in the editor. Number 5. Numerical input integration. Streamline your typing experience by seamlessly writing numbers alongside alphabetical characters. Hold down the number button and effortlessly input numbers while using your other fingers. Upon releasing the number key, the keyboard will get back to alphabetic mode.